Welcome to Electronics Class Tanzania. Your coach is Engineer Herini, Electrical and Electronics Engineer. I'm going to teach you YouTube lessons about electronics. This YouTube class, the aim is to inspire the students, the old and the young ones, to pursue engineering and mathematics. There is a myth for a long time that engineering and mathematics are difficult subjects and many students are shy from taking them. So, this YouTube class of Electronics Class Tanzania will take you step by step, stage by stage, introducing you about electronics, and we will learn together how electronics works, the circuits, and the design. The aim is, in future, you can build or apply electronics in your daily life. As the world is moving fast in technology, we need many electronics engineers and innovators in order to take a lead and to know how to manufacture and maneuver the electronics gadgets, which are very useful in our modern world. Electronics is the branch of engineering which deals with the current conduction through vacuum or gas or semiconductors known as electrons. Electronics essentially deals with electronics devices and their configuration. An electron device is that in which current flows through a vacuum or a gas or a semiconductor. Such devices have valuable properties which enable them to function and to have the friendly use in mankind. The electronics has gained much of the importance today because it has a variety of application. First application is rectification. Rectification is the process of converting AC to DC, and this DC of voltage and current which is used in charging batteries and other electronics devices. The second application of electronics is amplification. Amplification is the process of converting weak signals to much stronger signals. The amplification is used in radios or in loud public addresses, which is a process of converting those weak signals to much stronger signals. This is done by using electronics. The third application is control. The control is in many applications. For example, in a control of speed of your motors and in the refrigerators. We are using electronics devices to use that control. The fourth application of electronics is generation. Electronics devices can convert DC power into AC power of any frequency. In Tanzania, we are using 50 Hz frequency, but in the US, we are using 60 Hz frequency. Electronics also can be used in converting light into electricity, and this process is called photoelectricity. Also, the sixth application of the electronics is converting electricity into light, and this application is much used in television or in radars, which electricity is converted into light. In electronics, the important aspect is also atomic structure. The atoms consist of nucleus, and also they have electrons in the outer part. This nucleus consists of protons and neutrons, and normally we call atomic weight. These protons are positive, and neutrons, they don't have charges. And the atomic weight is the summation of protons and neutrons. The electrons, which are on the outer surface actually consists widely in transmitting electricity, and the amount of electrons in the outer of the atom is being made or can be calculated by using the formula of 2n squared. The first path is 2 times 1 square is equal to 2, and the second path is 2 times 2 square is equal to 8, and the third path is 2 times 3 square is equal to 18. So this is how you can calculate the electrons in the matter. Concept of voltage, current, and resistance. This is three. These three items are very vital in our electronics class. We'll start by what is electric circuit. What is electric circuit? What is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a closed loop. Which carries current. It's positive, it's negative. The electric circuit, which carries the electricity, and the electricity flows from positive to the negative terminal. Now, let's go to the definition of current. Current is the flow of electrons, and the unit of the current is ampere. Ampere is written by A. What is voltage? Voltage is a push or a pressure which forces the electrons to flow in the circuit. So voltage is a pressure or a push in order to make the electrons to flow in the circuit. And the unit of the voltage is volt. It's literally V, it's volt. Resistance is the opposition of the flow of the current. So in the circuit, resistance is one which opposes the flow of the electrons in the circuit. And the unit of the resistance is ohm. It's ohm, but it is written omega. This is the unit of the resistance. Okay, let's now talk about DC current. What is DC current? DC current is direct current. It is direct current. And what is AC? AC is the alternating current. Alternating. It's moving back and forth. This is the alternating current. In Tanzania, in AC, we have 50 Hz. And normally it is written as the S, this is AC. And this is a positive, negative. Here we have a closed circuit which have an alternating. What this simple is that is an alternating current. Let's see the open circuit. Open circuit, it is shown like this one. This is a battery, and open circuit is there's an opening there. Today is the first lesson of electronics class Tanzania. We have seen the introduction, we have seen the definitions of some components of electronics. We have seen some simple circuits, and these lessons will be having you at a weekly basis. The aim also is to make you see that electronics and engineering in general is not difficult and is simple. Electronics Class Tanzania will be having these classes so that to inspire the students, young and old ones, to take electronics. Our next lesson will be about some circuits with the simple algebras, not difficult, very simple algebras, so that we can start knowing how circuits can function in electronics. Well, now it's the end, and don't forget to share and subscribe so that many can know Electronics Class Tanzania and learn it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you for watching.